Hey, good morning, traders. I hope you are having a great week so far. Sami here from the Black Room. Wanted to come on for a few minutes and share with you. We have a healthy number of gaps, so I wanted to share with you some of the ones that I'll be looking to trade in the Black Room today. The market today is opening flat, and so we're not gapping up or down. This is the daily chart of the cues that I'm looking at. Notice how the 20 MA is flat, which tells me sideways for the time being, right? Shouldn't expect to see trends continue, and pops should probably be faded, pullbacks should be bought. The market lacks a catalyst, so as soon as we get some, that's what I think, as soon as we get some positive news, whether it be relating to the president, whatever it is, some econ news, we will probably see the market pop to new highs. Why? Because the market is in a larger uptrend, and it's been basing for the last few months, and the rising 20 on the weekly chart is catching up. Weekly, monthly is at pretty much all-time highs. So the market is definitely overall bullish, but just the time being, it's been the last about a month plus has been sideways, and we can see that clearly when the 20 MA goes flat, then momentum dies, right? SPY has been showing actually relative strength to the cues, but that's because the SPY was actually lagging behind, and as money rotated out of the high tech and into the banks, the SPY started playing catch up. So the SPY is fine. We have a rising 20, but they almost always go in tandem, the SPY and the Qs. I like to monitor the Qs because I believe technology companies lead the market, and the Qs, the Nasdaq 100, is dominated by technology companies. So that's my take on the market. We have, as I said, a healthy number of gaps today. I'm not going to be able to go over the entire gaps list. I'm about to get on the mic in the Black Room, where I'll go over every single item. But let me share with you some of the ones that I'll be watching today. One, LB. It's gapping down under the base. I like it. It's gapping to all-time lows. That's going to be a top watch for me short. So that's not bad. QD I also like. It's gapping down to 692. It's a little big. We only needed really to see it gap down to 723. Just right here would have been ideal. But looks lower. 1 second. Let's see. My monitor just kind of turned off. Okay, I'm back at 30 hertz. I don't know why, but it's all right. So, so I like the LB, I like QD. There's a few more, but I'm kind of running out of time. Let me show you some of the gap ups that I also like. MDCO, I like long. It's gapping up to 40.89, which is up here. Looks higher, just over the base. Flat 20 I don't like, but I like the fact that it's breaking out almost. It needs to clear about 42, but like the MDSO higher. I like the PLCE higher. It's gapping just over the topping tail, and it's also, I believe, triggering a weekly or a monthly buy setup. So that's not bad. PLCE. I like the TPX, probably my favorite gap up, and it's gapping up to 59.55. So I like that higher over red bar. These people that bought yesterday, that shorted, are now trapped. They're going to look to cover, which should mean the stock goes higher. Okay, and then from the gap ups also, we have SNPS gapping up. Let's see, gapping up 6%, 6.3% to 160, right? 100.60, that is. I like this as a short, not as a long. This is more of a novice gap. I like it as a fade. So a few gap ups, few gap downs that I'm going to focus on. I also have a few swing ideas. Let me just take down this list so I can copy the some of the swings that I'll be looking to trade today. The CGNX, I like it higher over the base, not over the, don't need to clear this. I just want to see it clear 53.67 over this double top with a stop under the yesterday's doji bar. This looks good to me. Long. Came from a pro igniting gap right here. So I like the CGNX higher. RNG is just an all-out breakout. No two ways about it. So I like it higher over the base with a stop under $88. NWL is a daily sell setup. So I like it lower under about 21.45. PFGC is another daily sell setup. Like it lower under 33. Stop 33.60. Pizza is another sell setup. Like it under the sort of a double bottom right here. And then with a stop over the doji bar. The bar's high. So that's not too bad. VSAT is another sell setup. This is really pretty. If you look at the hourly chart, let me just zoom out a little bit. It needs to clear yesterday's low. If it can clear yesterday's low, and then you can use this as a stop. Okay, so I like the VSAT. And LCI is a 1, 2, 3, and today if it clears 525, 530, it'll be a 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern. This is what's known as a bearish 1, 2, 3, 4 continuation pattern. So those are some of the ideas that I'll be looking at for today. If you'd like to see how I execute these trades and other trades, come join me in the black room. I'll be getting on the mic in just 2 minutes. Have a great day and happy trading, everyone.